Welcome to English with Tom channel. Do you want to make your sentences more engaging? The word very can make your language seem ordinary and bland. In this video, I will introduce you to 5 stronger words to replace it. These words will not only make your writing more vivid but also leave a lasting impression on your readers. Let's explore together and turn your vocabulary into a powerful tool like never before. Now, let's get started. The first one is gorgeous. The word gorgeous means very beautiful or very attractive, often used to describe the captivating and impressive beauty of a person, scenery, or object. For example, don't say the painting is very beautiful. Just say that the painting is gorgeous. It conveys a stronger impression and deeper emotion than the painting is very beautiful. Gorgeous evokes a more captivating and vibrant image, while very beautiful feels more ordinary. The second one is challenging. Challenging means difficult in a way that tests your ability or determination. Instead of saying very difficult, you can say challenging. For example, she faced a challenging math problem. Using challenging instead of very difficult not only makes the sentence more vibrant but also conveys a more positive meaning. Challenging evokes a sense of a trial that can help develop skills, while very difficult might create a feeling of discouragement. Choosing the right words can make your message stronger and more inspiring. The third word is excellent. Excellent means of the highest quality or exceptionally good. It is used to describe something that surpasses expectations and is outstanding in its category. For example, she received excellent feedback on her presentation. Using excellent instead of very good enhances the quality of your description. Excellent conveys a sense of superiority and exceptional quality, while very good can feel less impactful. The fourth word is crucial. Crucial means extremely important or essential, often indicating that something is critical for achieving a particular result. For example, it is crucial to follow the safety guidelines during the experiment. Using crucial instead of very important emphasizes the necessity and significance of the action. Crucial suggests that something is critical for success or safety, making your message more urgent and impactful. The last word is enormous. Enormous means very large in size, quantity, or degree. It conveys a sense of something that is exceptionally big and often impressive. For example, the elephant is enormous, dwarfing everything around it. Using enormous instead of very big conveys a greater sense of scale and impact. Enormous suggests something that is not only large but also impressive and overwhelming, enhancing the vividness of your description. Thank you for watching today. We explored 5 powerful words: gorgeous, challenging, excellent, crucial, and enormous, which can replace very to enhance your vocabulary. We encourage you to try using these words in your daily conversations. If you know any other impressive alternatives, please share them in the comments below. Let's continue to expand our vocabulary together.
Bye-bye!